I'm going crazy. I'm losing my mind. But let's go to task 14. This is all about password vault. Okay, create an Ansible vault. Okay, which is called local.yaml is a vault. Contains two variables with these two things. The password to encrypt it's when you wish upon the start. Many Red Hat exams have this password. It's it's just a classic, and it's stored there. Okay, let's start. Yeah, I'm going crazy. So yeah, I have done this already, but so let's check. It's encrypted, of course, but to create this file, you do. I'm not going to do this because I did this already. So you just do Ansible vault create. You just do this. I'm not going to do that because I already did it. It will create the file, okay? And you will VI that file and that content. Okay. At this point, you are able to. Well, I can do this again. Let's do this. mkdir vault to test cd vault to test. You can see this already. Yeah. So let's do this again in a different folder. So Ansible vault create locker.yaml. And the password, I'm going to copy and paste. It's just too big. And I'm going to copy paste. I am not going to type this password. No way, Jose. There. Cool. Then you just add pw developer imadev pw manager imamgr imam. I'm going nuts. Cool. Save it. VM secret. This is just the instructions, right? Okay. Secret.txt. You put the password. Cool. And then lock it out. Ansible vault view locker.yaml. It should ask for the password, but we don't want the password. We want vault password file equals home DevOps vault to test, and it's called secret.txt. Not found. Okay, I just made a typo, but that's my own fault. Home DevOps vault to test, and secret.txt. So what's wrong here? I mistyped something. Let's check it out. Oh. What? Oh, Ansible. Okay. There we go. It works. I forgot the Ansible subfolder, and everything is a-okay. So basically it's this, and you can view the contents of the file protected by that file, by that password, either by typing the password or by giving you the path to the secret file. Woo-wee! I love you guys. Like, subscribe, and comment. It will help.